Okay, I'm about to show you the level at which Wes's toy addiction has reached. We have never had a room solely dedicated to his toys until we moved into this house, and he has definitely taken advantage of it. All of these used to be in the attic, and since we have gotten the toy room, he has filled it even more. So I'm about to show you. First of all, we've got these in the hallway, and these, all Star Wars over here, and G.I. Joe this way. So let me just show you. We have G.I. Joe here. And behind the door we have Ninja Turtles. Admittedly, these Star Trek ones are mine. And then an entire wall of Simpsons. Over here we've got some loose stuff. More G.I. Joe. Red Dwarf, of course. These were the first toys that I ever bought Wes while we were dating. We've got Back to the Future. And some cartoon stuff. Then we've got the display case, which is all G.I. Joe. He's got some new stuff up top here. Just got this cool 3D printed Cobra throne at the toy show this weekend. And he plans to add to this case a custom 3D printed Airwolf that will fit his G.I. Joe figures, as well as, I believe, another plane, which is on the way. Up here we've got some Transformers, Voltron. Up top we've got X-Men. Mostly retro, and then I believe these two figures at the end are new. And then here we've got Star Trek up here. Probably my favorite stuff. And we'll come down here. We've got some cool G.I. Joe comics. More G.I. Joes on the wall over here. And then over here, we've got more Ninja Turtles. We've got really cool cartoon versions. Classic 80s that were redone. Here's a Wolverine guy. Then we've got some loose figures up in that display case. And then we've got the movie figures down here. And then down here, just some random horror stuff and Clerks, in which two are signed. And over here, we've got some Rick and Morty. And he's kind of had to stuff these display cases because we keep accumulating things. A bunch of Star Wars stuff in there. Indiana Jones. And Ghostbusters. Then, of course, I just finally got this Monica closet organized to where we can actually find things in here. Got some stuff on the back of the door. And comic books, Garbage Pail Kid cards. All sorts of stuff in there. And here we've got more figures. Aliens. These are Batman, Back to the Future, Friday the 13th figures, Power Loader, some Jaws. Got more Simpsons up here. Whole bunch of different types of cars up here. Those are all the cars. We've got more Star Wars figures in here. G.I. Joe stuff, Deadpool, some Top Gun stuff. And down here we've got, this is admittedly mine, my favorite, X-Men. I don't know if you can call her an X-Men. She's more of Spidey's amazing friend, maybe. And then we've got Simpsons playsets down here. Some Battle Cats. I'm not the toy expert, so don't come at me. There's He-Man. Got stuff on the walls in the closet. Lighting's not too great, but you get the point. His addiction has reached a level where we are running out of room rapidly. And then we've got boxes of comics up at the top. So that's it. And this isn't even half of it. We've also got figures hanging up in the rafters of our storage room. But yeah, running out of room quickly, guys. So this is a record. We'll see where we're at 1 year from now. Can you believe all this stuff used to be in our attic? Crazy.